Hello mis, ¿qué tal? Bienvenido a mi canal. So I haven't been on here in forever. I do apologize. Don't have an excuse. I do have an excuse, but I really don't have an excuse. Anyway, you probably noticed that I got my braids taken out already. Yeah, I'm really upset about that too, because literally in my last video I was talking about how I know I needed a protective style and why I went ahead and put my hair in a protective style. To find out that I have some modeling gigs, because I forget that I still model on the side, and I couldn't have the braids. So I have 3 modeling gigs within the next 2 weeks, so I had to just go ahead and take them out. But I did keep those braids in my head for 2 weeks. So yeah, anyway, this is basically how I care for my hair once I've taken it out of protective style. Bueno, so I'm gonna stop rambling, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And nada más a decir, pero vamos a empezar. Alrighty, so I actually took my braids down 2 days ago, so I've just kind of been wearing it in this little braid out for the past 2 days. I'm definitely gonna try a braid out on my hair because I really like the way my hair turned out when I took it out in the braids and kind of how I styled it. I've gotten a lot of compliments on it. Of course, right now it looks hot mess because it's the end of the day. But I'll definitely work on a braid out tutorial with heat trained hair. And I'm a little afraid that I may have cut a bit of my hair off, just not knowing where my hair actually stopped, because the braids actually went all the way down to past my buttocks. So I was like cutting them all the way up here, all the way up here. So I'm like hoping that I didn't cut my hair, but I don't know, we'll see. So normally when I take out my braids, no matter how much product I put in my hair, it's still going to be a percentage of dry, because synthetic hair dries out my hair. I'm really hoping I didn't cut my hair. It feels so short right now. Alright, so with my hair, it has a lot of product buildup from when the stylist actually put product on my hair when she styled it. But if I keep my braids in for like a month at least, then I'll have my own product buildup. So what I like to do is do an apple cider vinegar rinse. I usually get my own apple cider vinegar. I have the one I usually link down below, but I did get this one. It's called dpHUE ACV hair rinse that I wanted to try out. So I'm going to basically wet my hair and my scalp really quickly, and then I'm going to go ahead and put this on my scalp and then put it in a shower cap. So I'll show you guys how to do that. And then after that, I need to put moisture back into my, because although I do make sure to moisturize my hair while I have the braids in, at the end of the day, once I take out the synthetic hair does dry my hair out quite a bit. So I am going to make sure I do a really nice deep conditioning treatment before I go ahead and straighten my hair. Yeah, bueno, I'm going to go ahead and wet my hair with some warm water real quick, and I'll be right back. So I'm going to take my ACV rinse, and then it says wet scalp and hair, which I've done, and I've wet it with warm water. Squeeze excess water out, apply directly to the scalp, massage into the scalp and hair, leave in for 1 to 3 minutes. I'm gonna shake it up a bit, and it just has a nozzle that you twist to open. Let me make sure there's no yeah, there's some paper right here. My scalp is also super duper itchy because I didn't moisturize it like I usually do. This is cool and it feels nice. It feels so good. I feel like I used so much and I only have used this much. I don't know if I'm supposed to use this whole bottle. I'm probably gonna use half of it. Ooh, that feels good. Eu quis salvar meu coração, mas o amor sabe segredo. O medo pode matar. And it smells like apple cider vinegar. Okay, that's half the bottle. Let me see what the ingredients are. The first one is water. The next one is apple cider. However the scientific name for it, I'm assuming, and it's a lot of ingredients in here. Yeah, I'll have the product link down below if you want to check it out. But let's see how well I like it. I generally really like ACV rinses because it gives my hair a nice shine once I straighten it. And you only do it once a month. And it also helps balance the pH system in your scalp. What I also like to do about once a month is take a bath in apple cider vinegar. I'll just run the bath water, put like maybe a half cup in there. The smell doesn't smell that good, but when I get out the shower or when I get out the tub, I don't have the apple cider vinegar rinse. The apple cider smell on me. And I feel like my skin is a lot more balanced. The smell of my skin, the look of my skin. I really like doing apple cider vinegar baths. I get it all in my hair. I'm just gonna let this sit in here for 3 minutes. I'm gonna do the full 3 minutes. I am gonna put on a shower cap too, but I'm not gonna run and get my shower cap just to show you guys, hey, I'm having a shower cap. But I will be back once I have this rinsed out of my head. So I just rinsed it out my hair. Honestly, it still has a little bit of the smell in there, but that's okay because I'm gonna be able to get it out with the shampoo. What I'm actually gonna do now is detangle my hair. I like to detangle it before I wash it because once I wash it, it makes my hair even more detangled. And when I am dealing with my hair fresh out of a protective style, my hair is personally pretty weak because it's been either tucked away for a while and it didn't get all of its moisture that it usually gets because it was mixed in with some type of synthetic hair. What I like to do is take some inexpensive conditioner. I really like the biotin one because I like the way it smells. I have this link down below along with all the products that I use in this video. Didn't have to do that while I was talking. And then I take my time and I work with detangling my hair. I'm gonna start off with this much. And I like to start off with detangling with my fingers first and just being really gentle because I'll also have a lot of shed hairs coming out and I want to make sure that I don't have the shed hairs mixing in too much with the hair that is still on my head because then it'll create single strand knots. So of course I'm going to experience a lot of shedding because my hair hasn't been able to release its shedded hair for the past 2 weeks. And honestly, the more conditioner the better when just trying to detangle this, just because you want to make sure that you do it as gently as possible. And I find that the more conditioner you put, the easier it is to detangle. Alright, so once I feel like I got a lot of the shedded hairs out and that I've finger detangled it pretty well, I go ahead and take my white tooth comb and then I slowly comb it out just to get all the extra little tangles that my fingers couldn't get and the other little shedded hairs that I didn't grab. And then once it's all detangled for me, I just braid it up, put it out the way, and I'm going to do the rest of my hair. And I'll see you guys when I'm finished. Alrighty, so I'm all done. This is the shedding that I got, which is a lot. But honestly, I usually get about this much shedding when I have a protective style in my hair. And I know I'm going to get even more shedding as I am washing my hair out. But I'm excited because I didn't cut my hair. It just looked like I cut it. But I pretty much have my length. This side though, I may have cut it a little bit, but it's okay because I thought I was gonna have to go to the stylist and be like, hey, give me a bob cut because I just completely messed up my hair. But no, I still have my length, so I'm really happy about that. Anyway, I'm just gonna rinse this out of my hair. I'm gonna use warm water when I rinse it out so that way it opens up my cuticle so that way I can start shampooing. And I'm going to use 2 shampoos. The first shampoo I'm going to use is the Tea Tree shampoo. I love the shampoo. It really tingles my scalp. This is going to help relieve the itch in the amount of time that I didn't wash my hair. And it's just going to really clean my hair very well. And then I'm going to go ahead and follow up with this shampoo just because it's a little bit more moisturizing, so I want to begin to add the moisture back into my hair. This is the Mielle Organics Rosemary Mint Strengthening Shampoo. And then for the conditioner, I'm just going to use the Mielle Rosemary Mint Strengthening Conditioner as well. And then I'm going to put my hair in a shower cap, sit under a hooded dryer for 15 minutes, and then be on my merry way with actually styling my hair. So if you want to see how I wash my hair, it's on the screen here. And then if you want to see how I actually straighten my hair, it's also on the screen. But I am going to do an updated how I straighten my hair in the very near future. And if you know someone who's interested in an alternative to a relaxer or is interested in heat trained hair, be sure to share my content. Pero bueno, until the next video. I want to thank me for doing all this hard work.